If you do not have patience, please do not touch your natural hair. If you are not in a good mood, do not touch your natural hair. If you don't feel like doing your hair, just leave your hair alone. If you're looking to not over manipulate your hair, then I would definitely recommend wearing twists most of the time. However, you really do need to give your twist enough attention, or you're going to end up with knots, you're going to end up with dryness, and you're going to end up with breakage. Always remember to moisturize your hair at least twice in a week. You can do it 3 times in a week, but you have to moisturize your twist. The fact that you're wearing twists does not mean that you have to leave it hanging like that. You have to take care of it. You have to moisturize it to lock in moisture. You can use leave-in conditioner to moisturize your hair. You can use shea butter to moisturize your hair. In cases where I do not have leave-in conditioner, shea butter does the job for me. I don't have to break the bank to have my twist moisturized all the time. Now, the most important thing is for you to pay attention to the ends of your twist. So you can use the same leave-in conditioner, you can use the same shea butter to actually massage it into the ends of the twist, twirl it around, and you're good to go. In the cases where you feel like you don't have enough time to do this, and you really don't mind having your twist look a bit shorter than your hair, you can just wrap it around like I'm doing in the video. As you can see, you wrap it around. Now, in doing this, you really do not have to worry much about your ends locking up or your ends going dry or your ends just tangling. Once it's wrapped around like this, you're good to go. You do not have to always moisturize it and all of that. You can just leave it like that. So all you have to do is just moisturize your regular hair and you're good to go. Do not use these bands on your hair. Whether you have your twist or have your regular hair on, please do not use these bands. They tend to break off your hair so badly. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.